Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I have another gorgeous curly wig to show off to you guys. Yes, it's from RPGHair.com. Sorry about this clip, about how shaky it is. I was actually holding the camera with my hand, but yeah, guys, look at these curls. They're so tight. This wig came with very tight curls, and that I absolutely love. Now what I'm showing you here is the lace. It was a little bit lighter than me. Yes, the knots came bleached, but I had to tint it a little bit because so that it could match my scalp a little bit better. So I did that off camera. I mean, customization videos, if you need to see one of that, I'll link videos down below. So this is the wig after I did that little customization. And yes, I co-washed the hair, so this is how the curls are looking. They are just so pretty. They're pretty and it's just gorgeous. So about this wig, this is the Water Wave Virgin Brazilian Hair Glueless Lace Front Wig. Alright, I'll link the specific, I'll put the specific link in the description box. This is 100% virgin Brazilian hair, alright, and it is 16 inches long. It's of a natural color and it is 130% in density. So I said, you know what, today I wanted to go ahead and just show you guys some very easy ways to style this wig, and that's what we're going to focus on today. Doing a little bit of baby hair action, and then I went ahead and proceeded to just tying down the edges with this bandana, as some of you call it, but we here in Jamaica call it kerchief. So yeah, I wanted to just go for the good old you know, half up, or this is like semi half up half down. Yes, like it's been trending for a while now, and I mean it's cute. So I went ahead and started off with this a very effortless bun at the top here, and I just played with it, get it to the in the shape that I wanted it to be. I removed the kerchief or bandana, if you want to call it that, and this is what we're working with. Very easy, right? It was so quick and easy, trust. I left the scarf on my edges, I left the kerchief on my edges for like 5 to 10 minutes, not very long, and this is what we have, looking very natural, right? Yeah, I love it. As you can see, I didn't even wet this hair as yet, so I went ahead and I kind of did finger comb through the curls a little bit more because I wanted that big hair type of look. And now I'm using this rat tail comb to try to get this part straight. I struggle with that, but guys, look at the volume. Like in this clip, it reminded me so much of my sister's hair. This is exactly like how her hair looks out. I love it. Looks so natural. I love it. So what I did is just section off a piece here in the front, and I just did regular simple old twists, and I'm gonna do it on the next side.
How will I know if you really love me? I say a prayer with heaven.
And what I do now is just take the two twists and kind of just tie them in the back, and that's how I got them secured. And listen, I just kept on finger combing the hair, and guys, look at that. I feel like it's so pretty in this state. Like if you want, if you're in that mood on a day where you just want big nice looking hair, I feel like this wig is perfect. And then now I'm gonna just reverse everything, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get it back really nice and curly. And all that is in this bottle that you see me spraying the hair with is water, good old water, and just saturating the hair with water at this point. And then I kind of just scrunch it up. Yes, look at how popping those curls are. I can tell that you guys love seeing me in curly hair as well. Like I love it for myself because I mean it looks very natural on me. So yeah, so now moving on into the next style, and as you can see, these styles are so simple. Like it's nothing technical, you know, just simple and to the point. I'm literally taking a brush right here, as you can see, and I'm brushing through the hair. I saturated the area a little bit more with water, and I'm just kind of, what I intended on doing something different. And when I saw how nicely this laid right there, I was like, yo, this can work. This is a style. So I just kind of worked with it, and yeah, it's simple, right? Very simple. So that was actually another little simple style right there that I did. I just love how easy it is to work with this wig. The final thing I'm gonna do with this wig is I actually wanted to put it in a ponytail, but I wanted to keep it low. So I saturated the neck side yes, and just brush that through. And as you can see, the brush is doing a good job. It's not like making it trashy or anything. It's really helping to smooth out the curls and make it look more wavy and very laid, and that I like. I took out a random piece of hair right here because I don't know, I just thought about it and I said, you know what, yeah, I like it. I like how it look. So I'm just securing the rest of the hair in the back to the back of my head, and I'm taking an elastic band, just put everything together, and I just went around the hair one time with it, nothing tight, and look at that. It's so easy. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, this is actually my favorite style out of all of what I just did. And so, you know, I saved the best for last, and honestly, I didn't even plan to do this, guys. I was just flowing. The curls just inspired me to do a lot. Yeah, at this point I was just playing with the hair and just fluffing it out more, and that is it for this video today. By the way, guys, RPGHair will be having a sale tomorrow, which is the 15th. All right, don't forget to use my code SUE15 to get, you know, your discount of all Brazilian wigs. And I also have another code, which is PETITE-10. So make good use of those codes, guys. They're always listed in the description box. And don't forget to go ahead and just if you're interested in any of the wigs that I've ever worn, I do have a specific page on RPGHair, so I'll put the link for that in the description box. So go ahead, check that out. I really appreciate you guys' support. Oh, by the way, one more thing. Yes, since recently a lot of pages on Facebook and Instagram have been taking my pictures and my videos of me representing for RPGHair with their products, and is pretending that it's actually theirs, and people are actually buying from their companies. So yeah, it's crazy, but we're working on it, so I'm just letting you guys know. So yeah, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. So bye.